go to discord.com. We will download. First time setting up Discord, you need to register. So it's going to ask you to check your email to verify your account. So over here on the left is a list of servers. You can create your own, which we're not going to do, but we will add this account to our server so you can get a chance to see what that looks like. Okay, so we just added Stuart as a friend. Stuart had to find this account and add as a friend. So now we have a friend. Hi, friend. Wave. So now Stuart will have the ability to invite this new user to our server. Hi, Stuart. So if you go to, there you go. So here's our server, Creo server. We're going to hit join. And you may think something went wrong here because now we see Creo as the server over on the left. But you might think something went wrong because it says messages failed to load. If you hit try again, it'll be stuck. But you see this one channel here says verify you are human. If you click here, it says click thumbs up to prove you're human. Go ahead and do a little reaction there, and boom, all this information pops up. So this is officially welcome to the Creo Discord. There's a few different sections here. Again, the left is for servers. So if you add any additional servers, you become a part of any additional servers, you'll see a full list of servers over here on the left. So you can jump between servers anytime. This is a list of channels. So most of these are chat channels, like general. Stuart says hello. Off topic, suggestions, FAQs. And these will be full of information. But right now, we're just setting things up, so it's a little empty. Up here are locked channels. You can't enter these, but they're placeholders for information. So this is how we keep information going. So today, for example, we're going to be minting 50 of our membership tokens. They're going to be for 22 ADA each. So there's Discord 101. Here's our rules. This is where new members will arrive. But basically, what you do in Discord is, outside of just kind of checking all the different channels for information, is you can head into General and start chatting. And then moving forward, what you'd want to keep an eye on is this channel, Announcements. That's where we're going to be posting most of our announcements if anything is changing, if there's new information that you need to know. So keep notifications on for this channel specifically. We're also going to be updating this channel whenever we have a new mint or several mints going on. Currently for this one, for the first 50 NFTs, we're going to be minting them manually, so you can open a support ticket. If you click here, it's going to create a new channel for you down here under the welcome and info, and you'll be able to chat in here. And this is Discord.